Now we're going to solve 452 times 3 using our standard algorithm. So we want to set up our multiplication problem vertically on top of each other with the number with the most digits at the top and our one-digit number underneath it. So the first step we're going to take is we're going to multiply 3 times the ones place. 3 times 2 ones. So when I multiply 3 times 2, that equals 6. So I'm going to write 6 down here in the ones place. Now I'm going to move on to 3 times the tens place. So we're going to multiply 3 times 5. When I multiply 3 times 5, I get 15. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the 5 from the 15 down here in our tens place. And that group of 10 from the 15, I'm going to compose it and move it over to the hundreds place because this group of 10 tens is now becoming 100. So when we multiplied 3 times 5, we got 15. I write the 5 down below, and I bring that group of 10 tens over to the hundreds place because it became 100. Our last step is we're going to multiply 3 times the hundreds place. When I multiply 3 times 4, I get the number 12. But we see we still have this 1 underneath. We're going to multiply 3 times 4 first, and then we are going to add plus 1 after we multiply 3 times 4. So I know 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. I'm going to write the 3 from the 13 down below in our hundreds place. And the group of 10 from the 13 is now going to be composed and moved over to the thousands place value because that group of 10 hundreds is now going to become 1,000. And now let's take a look. We see that we have nothing in the thousands place, so we can just think of that as 0. So when we multiply 3 times 0, we get 0, but we still have that 1 that we composed and brought over. So 3 times 0 equals 0 plus 1. So we have a 1 in the thousands place. So our final answer when we multiply 452 times 3 equals 1,356.